At each genuinely loops over every real item in a list or map, generating a rule for each one automatically instead of writing them by hand. In this video, you'll generate real utility classes with one loop. This real map holds three named colors that the loop below will genuinely generate a class for each. At each genuinely runs this rule once per real map entry, $name interpolates the actual key into each generated selector. At each genuinely loops over every real item in a list or map. Interpolation inserts the real current key value into each generated rule. One real loop can replace dozens of handwritten near-identical rules. Build a real at each loop that generates margin utility classes from a list of sizes. Ready to use real numeric loops for repeated, counted output.